In this video, I'll show you how to create an Airbnb account. So what we're going to do is go to airbnb.com. Well, for me, it'll be .co.za. And we'll go to the top right to this hamburger icon. And then click on login or sign up. So now you have multiple ways to do this. You can continue with your phone number. So choose country code and then put in your phone number and hit continue. Or you can do it with Google, Apple, email, or Facebook. And regardless of which option you choose, you will land back on this page. Now to actually edit your profile details, we go back to the hamburger icon, click on Profile, and then you'll see Edit here next to About Me. And here you have all the options to customize, and you can add your profile picture on the left and then hit Done. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.